Hello, welcome back. Now it's time to create the route grouping. As you know, in the previous video, we were working on the routes like nested routes, dynamic routes. I have forgotten reviews. Yeah, dynamic nested routes and everything. So now it's time to create the route groups. So route grouping is very helpful. I wanna show you through examples. I am creating a route or page like say login page dot tsx according to the convention. RFC this is login page, and same way register page.tsx. This is register page, and create another 3 dots. Forgot password. Forgot password. Under that, create page.tsx. Forgot password page. Okay, so I have created 3 pages, and if you wish, you can navigate over there. Say login page, register page, forgot password, forgot password, forgot password page. But these 3 files are very similar and should stay in one place, and it's scattered. So if any novice developer come, he may find it challenging to understand and maintain the clean code. So if we can group these files under one folder, it would be handy. It has several benefits. So let's do that. So for that, we are creating, as it is authentication related, I am creating a auth folder, and I am bringing everything inside the auth folder. Okay, I am bringing testing, and where is login? Login, forget password, and another thing that is register. So now it's grouped and it's on place. This is a clean code, you can say. So very easy to understand and very handy. Okay, so under what we have now, it's not scattered. Okay, it's a clean code. So register, but you will not get the routes is because we have it has prefixed by what. So if I go to the what, then forget password, then you will get the page. So by what register, not registered, register, you will get it. Login, you will get it. So it's handy. So we can do another thing, and if we want to group it over here, just simply wrap it through the bracket, then So if you wrap this by parentheses, it will be excluded from the URL parameters. Okay, so without previously we had auth register like that way, auth login. So now you will not get it. So you can omit auth. If you just log in, you'll get the page. If you just register, you'll get the page like that. So auth is omitted. It's suggesting the browser that you can omit this auth by wrapping the parentheses. So these things are grouped together. So this is the grouping. Thank you very much. If you don't understand, please let me know. Please like, share, and subscribe. And in the from next tutorial, we'll work on the layout. And we have a big project. It's on the way. It's coming. Okay. Thank you very much.